How to create Gmail account in mobile. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Google account or your Google application. You can also do it using your Gmail application. Launch it, then from your top right corner, go to the profile icon. Now go to add another account. Select Google. Now verify your identity using your PIN or your fingerprint. After that, go to create account. Select if it is for your personal use or your work or business. Now enter your name and surname, but it is optional. Enter your basic information. Go to next. Now simply select a username. Go to next. Create a strong password. Go to next. And there you go. Your account is created. Now you can use this account in your Gmail as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.